Everything we do as creators starts with an idea, and sometimes those ideas, they can be hard to come up with. I don't know about you, but I don't know how many times I've been staring at my blank screen and the keyboard and they just ain't coming. So in this video, I wanted to share a bunch of ways that you can use to generate ideas for your next YouTube video or really anything. I mean, you could use these for a blog or a podcast or whatever you're creating. These are in no particular order, so let's dive in. The YouTube search bar. Whenever you type in anything in the search bar, YouTube isn't just like guessing, they're actually showing you exact searches that people are looking for down to what they're using. Whenever you're stumped, go to YouTube, go to the search bar, and whatever you're wanting to create for or your niche or your topic, just start typing it in and see what comes back. Next up, Google search. So a lot of times when I'm looking for ideas, I'll even go to Google and I'll start searching something like maybe how to start a YouTube channel or something like that. They're going to give you a lot of ideas, but a couple of places to look. People also ask. Again, these are actual questions people are asking. You can click on the little, the little arrow thing, and it'll give you even more questions that people are asking, which can be great ideas. Then you can also scroll down and see related searches to help jumpstart your next idea. Next up, one of my favorite tools is TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy has free and paid plans. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link down in the description. But once you install it via the Chrome browser, when you're on YouTube and you're searching for anything, this is one way to use it. It will pop up on the side of the videos, and it'll tell you kind of how that phrase, that keyword or keyword phrase, or whatever you're looking for ranks, what the search volume is. But then you can click it and it will open like the TubeBuddy interface on your channel. And you can even dive deeper into like video topics and Google search and just kind of see how it ranks, what the competition is there. And that's another great way, not only to come up with an idea, but maybe kind of test your idea before you ever hit record. Another tool is VidIQ. And again, VidIQ has free and paid plans, and there's a link to that down in the description. Now, VidIQ has a couple of other features that TubeBuddy doesn't. One is called Daily Ideas. And once you sign up and you get your account, you get daily ideas. And I forgot how many it is based on the free or the paid, but you can go through those and you can mark them as, ooh, I really like that, or I don't want to do that. It saves them and even gives you some examples. So that's one way. Another thing VidIQ has is keywords, and you can enter a keyword or a keyword phrase, and it's going to rank it for you. It's going to give you other ideas and other suggestions. And there's a lot of other things you can do in VidIQ as well. But those are the two ways that you can use VidIQ to generate ideas. All right, let's talk about ChatGPT. Now, even if you're on the free version like I use, I haven't paid for it yet. I haven't decided to do that. You can go in and you can do what I call ideation. So you can put things in there and say, hey, I'm looking for ideas about doing YouTube videos, and it'll give you that. Now, the more you can refine your search, I think on ChatGPT, you can really use it to help you with that. Now, another AI tool I love is Bard by Google. One thing I do like about Bard is that Bard now has integrated YouTube in there. If it's related to YouTube, they'll actually show me videos on YouTube that are on that similar topic. It's like, oh, wow, I didn't think about that idea, which then you can look at thumbnails and things like that. So that's Bard by Google. All right, so here's a site called Answer the Public. On the free plan, which is what I use, you have 3 searches a day. So whatever you put in there, it's going to show you what people are asking, but it really dives into it. And you can sort it between visual or just data. Even though I'm a visual kind of guy, I tend to look at the data because you can sort it by the who, what, where, and the question specifically. And even on the free plan, you can export that to like a spreadsheet or something like that, and really dive through and find things that people are looking for, which then can spark your next idea for your video. All right, here's one I use all the time, Facebook groups. I've joked before that I think Facebook groups has actually kind of become the new Google, because here's what I've seen. I think there's a lot of folks that will go in Facebook groups and they'll just ask the question rather than actually do the work to find something. Some of my better videos, better performing videos have come from Facebook groups where people have asked the question and I'm like, huh, somebody's asking the question, that might be a video. So if you're not tapping into that, go to your Facebook groups that you're in, especially if it's more towards your niche, and I bet you'll find a ton of ideas that way. Going back to YouTube, comments. On my comments, somebody has asked a question pertaining to a video I've done. I'm like, ooh, that's a great question. Maybe it's something I didn't cover in the video, or I think, ooh, that would make a whole nother video. So don't miss the opportunity that YouTube comments can be for just like a gold mine of ideas. So wherever your next idea comes from, just don't stay stuck in the idea phase. Make sure you move it from idea to actual content so you can share your gifts with the world wide web.